On your PC, to use the Advantage AR tool, first visit advantagelifts.com. From there, click the lift you'd like to view in AR. You will then scroll down till you find the View in Your Garage button. You'll click that button and it will take you to a new window with the interactive lift of the product you chose. You can spin the lift by dragging your cursor. You can raise and lower the lift with the corresponding arrows. You can even add a vehicle by clicking in the top right corner. You can change the dimensions of the lift in the virtual space with your mouse scroll wheel as well. But that's just the start. Click the View AR button to bring up a QR code to scan with your phone. This will take you to the mobile version of the interactive lift page. On mobile, you begin the same way. Go to the product page and click View in Your Garage. In the interactive lift page, move the lift around by dragging your finger. Tap the arrows to move the lift up and down. Tap Show Vehicle to add a vehicle to the lift. Press the Share Link button to share or save your lift configuration for later use. Tap View AR to open your phone's camera. Once the camera is on, briefly scan your room, then tap to add the lift to your space. At this point, you can fully explore the AR lift in your space. Use this Advantage AR tool to determine which lift will fit in your garage and which lift is right for you.